Hello students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson 13, good citizen. You know student, what is the good citizen? Means the person who follow their duties. Student, you know, in our country, all the persons, they have some duty, some moral responsibility. So if you follow your duty, means you are a good citizen. Understand? A good citizen is a person who knows his rights and duty and make good use for it. Suppose that you are the student. What is your duty? Your duty, focus on your study. If you focus on your study, then you get good marks and you are a good person. Similarly, the different person, many person, those who doing the different job. So if they do their duty in the right way, means you are the good citizen. His knowledge, self-control, common sense and is devoted toward his duty. It does not matter whether he is rich or poor, big or small. To him, serving people means serving God. If you help to any person, if you help to any people, means you help to God, you serve to God. We all have some duties. When we do our duties sincerely, we feel happy and content. Student, very often you must have heard your elders say, you are grown up now, be responsible. Be responsible. Suppose that if you are the grown up, you are the 10, 12, 13-year-old, then what is your responsibility? Means first your responsibility, you manage your books, you put your clothes in the proper way, okay, and follow the instruction given by your elders, means your brother, sister or your parent, teachers, okay. When you act in a matured way, when the same person would tell you you are too young for all that, a good citizen will never fail to perform his duty toward the society, no matter how young or old he is. Student, if you follow your duty, then it become enter in your life. It is your hobby. Means where you live anywhere, you will do the same thing. Suppose that if your habit, you woke up in the 6 o'clock, then in the whole life you become woke up in the 6 o'clock because it is your habit. Okay, student, in the one story of the a good citizen. Student, it was a 5 o'clock on a Sunday morning. Even 11-year-old Darshan suddenly woke up. He heard some noise. He looked out of his window. He saw bright flame coming out from the third floor of a multi-storied building situated in front of his house. He was terrified and memorized by the sense he heard the scream of people crying for help. Soon he realized his duty. He quickly took his father's mobile and called the fire brigade and the local police station. In almost no time, siren of fire engine and police went scratched in the locality. The firemen come running with their hoses and other firefighting equipment. It was a windy day. A strong wind were making the fire separated to the other floor of the building. The first firefighting men began their rescue operation immediately. They were trying every possible means to save everybody in building. They also used their ladders to bring down the injured victim. Almost everyone were saved. Suddenly, in one of the windows of the third floor, a tiny finger was seen waving her hand for help. A 4-year-old girl named Lizzie was trapped there. The firemen tried to reach up to her, but they would not get in. An iron beam had fallen near the window. In such an awkward position that the firemen were unable to reach her. After that, a huge crowd was watching the dreadful scene. If suppose that if same thing happen in your life, if same thing happen in the front of you, what is your duty? Problem is there, many people aware their duty. They don't want to do their duty. So see what the next step of darshan. A huge crowd was watching the dreadful scenes. Darshan was also there. He watched lazy parents standing restless, watching their child in distress. Suddenly, Darshan thought of an idea. He walked up to an officer and said, "Sir, I would like to suggest something. If a slim young man enters the window and pushes the beam down, then I think the girl can be saved." The officer gave Darshan a strong look and then called one of his firemen. Soon Darshan was seen climbing up the ladders, dressed up as a fireman. Because firemen, they wearing one special type of cloth, and such clothes saved their life. He was followed by other firemen. He reached up the window and bravely entered the room. Then he pushed down the beam. He lifted the girl in his arm and then came out of the window. He handed the girl to the other fireman. After this, he slowly came down the ladders. Everyone was watching Darshan. As he came down, he was greeted by a loud applause from everyone. Their lazy parents ran up to him and thanked him for saving their child life. So, Darshan got many gifts and awards for his bravery, but his greatest achievement was the satisfaction of his soul. Like a good citizen, nowadays is the winter. And what is your duty? Your duty, do the study well. Okay? If you do your duty well, then you get a good mark and you means you are a good person. Okay, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.